In this video, we will be seeing about multiplexer and demultiplexer. Multiplexer. Multiplexer uses 4 input lines and gives output line, which is also known as converting multiple input lines into single output line. Let us look at the truth table for 2 to 1 multiplexer. Given that the input is 0, the output is A0. Given that the input is 01, the output is A1. Given that the input is A10, output is A2. And given that the input is 11, the output is A3. Let us look at the logical expression. The output equals S1 complement S0 complement A0 plus S1 complement S0 A1 plus S1 S0 complement A2 plus S1 S0 A3. Let us now look into the circuit design. So this multiplexer consists of 4 AND gates and 2 NOT gates and OR gate at the last. Let's now look into demultiplexer. So demultiplexer converts single input line into multiple output lines. This is the truth table for demultiplexer. If you look at the input, when the input is 0 0, the output is 0 0 0 A. And if the input is 0 1, the output is 0 0 A 0, and the input is 1 0, the output is 0 A 0 0, and if the input is 1 1, the output is A 0 0 0. To mention that it also have 2 enable pins. To mention that it also have 2 selection lines. Let us now look into the logical expressions. Y0 equals S1 complement S0 complement A, and Y1 equals S1 complement S0 into A. Y2 equals S1 S0 complement A, and Y3 equals S1 S0 A. Let us now look into the circuit design. It consists of 4 AND gate and 2 NOT gates. Let us now look into the simulation. This is the circuit design of demultiplexer. When S0, both the S0 is 0, the output we get is 0 0 0 1. When the selection lines have input as 1 0, the output that we get is 0 1 1 0. When both the input selection lines have 1 1, the output we get is 1 0 0 0. Let us now look into the circuit design of multiplexer. So multiplexer converts multiple inputs into single output. When the input is 0 0, we get the output as 1. When the input is 1 0, we get output as 1. When the input is 0 1, we get output as 1. When the input is 1 1, we get output as 1. But this does not mean that the output is same. This means that the selection line varies. If you see in this case, we got this selection line, and in this case we got this selection line, and in this case we got this selection line, and in this case we got this selection line. Thank you.